Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add the TikTok widget to the home screen on the iPhone 13 series. So first, let's swipe up to go back to your home screen. And on the home screen, you want to touch and hold on a blank spot. Once the screen starts to wiggle, tap on the Add button at the top, right here. And then in the Search Widgets screen, you want to swipe down or swipe up to go down and tap on TikTok. In here, it has a few different widget size that you could choose. So you got the small one, medium size, and the larger size for trending. And then you got TikTok Garden of Good. So pick a widget and then drag it to your home screen and let go. And you can, after that, you can tap on the done button and that's finished. So that is your TikTok widget. Anytime you want to watch a TikTok video, you can simply just tap on the widget to start the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.